back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess. In today's video, I am going to be doing an install video on this hair. This is going to be a 30-inch bust down. I did have to cut just a few inches, literally like 2 inches off, because it was looking a little too thin at the ends. But I will say I still feel like this is 30 inches. I feel like they gave us just a little bit more inches than 30 or whatever, because it still comes to the middle of my butt. Okay, so this unit is from Ishow hair. I have not worked with them in years. So this is the first time I'm working with them in years, and girl, I love this wig so freaking much. It is a 13x4 frontal, 30 inches, 180% density, and to me it is perfection. Okay, and it is body wave. I love the way it came out. I did do some curls just to keep that body wave look, and y'all will see I will do a start to finish tutorial right now. So this unit is from Ishow hair. It's going to come in a black satchel. Inside of the black satchel, you get a few things. You get a card with a discount code. You also get a wig cap in the color nude, and the wig is body wave. It is a 13x4, 180% density, 30-inch body wave unit. It has 3 combs and adjustable straps. Okay, so this is the unit, and as you can see, I bleached the knots and I over bleached the knots on this wig. So later in the video, I'm going to show you how to fix it. So I adjusted the straps on the unit and I applied it to my head, and then I cut the extra lace on both sides by my ears. Okay, so they're known as the ear tabs. I cut them off so that the unit would fit my head. When I was done with the ear tabs, I cut 2 slits in the front of the lace to create sections. Okay, and then I sprayed the Even Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray in extreme firm hold to the middle section, and then I tied it down using an elastic band to melt the lace. And I repeated that step 2 times to make sure I did it in sections, and so that everything would stay. I did it section by section. Okay, so you're only going to see me do the middle section, but I did all 3 sections. Okay, when it was dry, I then cut the remaining lace off the front of the unit. After that, I started to part out the places that I wanted to have some baby hair. So I did by the ears, and then I did 2 sections in the front of the head. After separating the baby hair again, I applied an elastic band to further separate them from the rest of the hair. Then I used a wax stick to lay the hair when I hot combed it to define the parting space further. After I took the elastic band off and I started to trim the baby hairs, and it was really quick. I just took the pieces and just trimmed it to about like 2 inches. Then using my smallest flat iron, I curled the baby hairs going back to help me when it's time to mold them, which is the next step. And I just curled each individually. And now when it's time to mold it, first I decided to go in with the spray, but then I was like, you know what, I'm just going to use what I usually use, which is the Got to Be Glued styling gel. Okay, so after I was done with that, then it was time to get these knots together. So I used the black Clairol dye pen and I applied it to all the spots where the over bleached knots were showing. And this was so quick and easy. I would definitely recommend it. Then, taking medium-sized chunks of hair, I decided to curl and wand it. So I'm going to be creating big waves that basically emulate the body wave pattern, because once I washed this hair, it didn't have any waves left. It was just straight. So yeah, I used the medium-sized curl and wand. It starts at one size, it gets smaller at the tip, but not significantly smaller, just a little bit smaller. And I curled the hair going away from my face, so going back on both sides. I took medium-sized chunks, so this was really quick to do. And yeah, I just repeated the steps on both sides. So this is a shot of my 30-inch bust down outcome, and I absolutely love it. To keep with the body wave, even though the hair did wind up being straight after I washed it, I just put like some big curls in it using a curling wand, and I combed it out, brushed it out, all of that, just so I could keep that kind of body wave look. I love the way this looks. I'm in love, girls. I don't even know what to say. I'm in love. So let's get into the specs. So this hair is from Ishow Hair. This is their 13x4 lace frontal wig. It is 180% density and it is 30 inches. I think the density on this unit is perfect, okay? Normally I would probably get 200% density, but I think that the 180% density on the 30-inch unit just gives it a nice amount of hair. It's like not too much and it's not too little, so I don't feel like, you know, the wig is bald at all. It feels like enough hair, like a natural amount, but a little bit more than natural. So I really love the density. I think this hair is so soft, it's plush, it was so easy to style. I literally had no hiccups or anything. I over bleached the knots, and as you saw, instead of re-dyeing them, I just used that little dye pen and I just went over it. It was just a quick thing to fix, and I love those. Since I've installed the hair, I'm not experiencing any tangling, snagging, or matting, which is good. This hair obviously can be colored because I over bleached the hell out of the knots and it was blonde, okay? So this hair could definitely be colored. Okay, you could flat iron this hair straight. Even though it is body wave, it kind of got straight once I washed it. But when I curled it, as you can see, the curls took. I did go in and comb the curls out because I just wanted a natural body wave. I didn't want any like tight curls. I just wanted like real soft curls, and yeah, it came out really nice. So the only product that I put in the hair itself would be the Designer Essentials Silk Essentials Oil. That is it. And I only put 2 pumps. And I put 2 pumps only because it's longer, thicker hair. But normally I just put 1 pump, okay? Wash routine, I just washed it with regular Tresemme shampoo and conditioner, and that was it. The hair is beautiful, it's nice and bouncy. So like I literally have no complaints with this hair, and if I was going to give it a rating, girls, it will be a 10 out of 10. When I say I am so happy with this bust down, I am so happy. Like, oh my god, I wish I would have did this sooner. I freaking love my hair so much, and I'm definitely going to be showing out on the gram. Okay, we taking lots of pictures, boo. We taking lots of pictures. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. It was a very in-depth tutorial. I made sure that I recorded everything. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I'm gonna have the links to Ishow hair and direct links to this unit down in the bottom bar for you, just in case you wanna check it out, okay? So I hope you enjoyed, and I will speak to you down in the comments, and I will also speak to you in my next video. I love y'all. Bye, y'all.